Welcome back to the channel. Imagine waking up to views like this, with the freedom to explore wherever the road takes you. This is the all-new 2025 Volkswagen Grand California, a camper van designed for the modern adventurer. Volkswagen has redefined the camper van experience with the latest Grand California. Built on the reliable Crafter platform, this camper combines German engineering with premium comfort, making it one of the most desirable motorhomes of 2025. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a beautifully designed living space, packed with everything you need for the ultimate road trip. From high-end materials to smart storage solutions, the Grand California is built to make life on the road feel just like home. The heart of this camper is the dining and lounge area. The swiveling front seats allow you to create a cozy space for meals, work, or simply relaxing after a day of exploring. Large panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light, creating an open and airy atmosphere. Cooking on the road? No problem. The Grand California features a well-designed kitchenette with a 2-burner gas stove, a deep sink, a refrigerator, and plenty of storage for ingredients and cookware. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or a gourmet dinner, this kitchen has you covered. Technology plays a huge role in making this camper van as convenient as possible. With an intuitive touchscreen control panel, you can manage lighting, climate control, and even monitor water and battery levels, all with the touch of a button. And when it's time to rest, the Grand California offers a spacious sleeping area with a high-quality mattress, perfect for a good night's sleep. For families, there's even an optional overhead bed, making it an excellent choice for those traveling with kids. One of the standout features of the Grand California is its built-in bathroom. Unlike many camper vans that require external setups, this one comes with a fully enclosed wet bath, complete with a toilet, shower, and even a skylight for ventilation. Storage is another strong point. With multiple compartments inside and out, you can easily bring along all your gear, whether it's bicycles, hiking equipment, or just your favorite camping chairs. But let's talk about driving. The Grand California isn't just a camper, it's a pleasure to drive. Equipped with the latest driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a high-resolution digital cockpit, every journey is smooth, safe, and stress-free. With a powerful and fuel-efficient turbo diesel engine, this camper is ready to take you on long adventures without worrying about frequent fuel stops. Whether you're heading to the mountains, the beach, or anywhere in between, the Grand California is built to handle it all. At the end of the day, the Volkswagen Grand California isn't just about the journey, it's about the experiences you create along the way. It's about freedom, adventure, and making memories that last a lifetime. So, are you ready to hit the road in style? Let us know where your dream adventure would take you in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on the latest and greatest in travel and adventure vehicles. See you on the road. Welcome.